So before starting this tutorial, I've already applied a base of foundation and my lenses. I'm first priming my eyes with this eyeshadow base by NYX, and I'm just gently rubbing that and blending it in all over my entire eyelid. I'm then taking my NYX Ultimate palette and going into this pale turquoise shade, and I'm just packing that right in the very inner corners of my eyes. I'm then going in with a slightly darker blue, and I'm just blending that into the shade we've already put down and a little bit further across the eyelid. Then taking an even darker blue, and I'm just blending this a little bit into my crease, and then patting that down next to the shades we've already applied and just blending it in a little bit. After that, taking my purple shade, and I'm just putting that right down the centre of the lid, and again just blending it into that blue. Yet more shadow, this time a pinky purple, and just blending that into the purple. And then finally, I'm taking this very bright pink shade, and I'm just blending that right on the outer corner of my eyes, blending it slightly into the crease and also blending it out across my lid towards my brows. After that, I'm just taking a pale purple shade, and I'm using that to blend out above the blue. So I'm using that to blend the pink into the crease above where we've applied the blue shades. After that, I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm just doing a pretty thin wing. I don't really want to cover up the nicer colours that we've already put down, so I'm just keeping it pretty simple for this look. After that, I'm taking Goldilocks by Sugar Pill. I love this shadow, and after wetting this, I'm just using this to draw little star shapes, little crosses, sort of around my eye where we've already put down the shadow. And these are going to become my little anime sparkles. Once they've dried, I'm taking a white eyeliner, and I'm just going to outline and neaten up those little sparkles. So this will give them an extra bit of highlight and also clean up any slightly smudgy edges that may have occurred. Next, I'm taking these little gemstone type sequins that I've got, and I'm putting a pink one right in the outer corner of my eye, and then slightly further in I'm putting a blue one. I then decided that I wanted to line my lower lash line with that Goldilocks product. Ideally you could do this beforehand, but I'm doing it afterwards. Then I'm just going in with my standard mascara. And then I'm going to be applying a pair of false lashes. And then that is it, you're done. if you're new here, my name is Tila Postate, and this is my Yuri on Ice themed eyeshadow. So this is the last little video entry in my anime inspired makeup series, and I kind of just wanted to keep it simple and sparkly and just cute. So I love Yuri on Ice. You should all know by now that I love this anime. And so, of course, I was going to include this in the series. How could I not? So I really hope you guys liked this look. I definitely liked doing it, and it could definitely pass for wearable. So please do let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. If you haven't seen any of the other videos I've done for this series, please do check them out on my channel already. And if you like Yuri on Ice themed videos, I've done a few. So that is it from me in this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!